Hey freshers, wondering how to kickstart your career right out of college? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of using LinkedIn to land your dream job. Let's dive in. Why LinkedIn? It's where recruiters live. Over 700 million users and a focus on professional networking make it a goldmine for job opportunities, especially for freshers like you. First impressions count. Start with a professional photo. Write a catchy headline that reflects your career aspirations. Your summary? Make it your story. Who you are, what drives you, and what you aspire to be. Network, network, network. Connect with alumni, professors, and industry professionals. Don't just send requests, personalize them. Share why you're reaching out and what you admire about their work. Engage actively. Follow companies you dream of working at. Join groups related to your field. Comment thoughtfully on posts. Share articles or write your own. This builds your presence and shows your passion. Now the real deal, applying for jobs. Use LinkedIn's job search with filters like entry-level or graduate. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each application. Use your network to learn about company culture and roles. Remember, LinkedIn is more than a job board. It's a platform to showcase your potential. Be authentic, stay consistent, and the right opportunity will come knocking. If this guide was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more career tips. Here's to landing that dream job.